Okay, so to begin with, today we'll discuss few more problems related to this. Okay, this was the last problem which we had discussed. Hope this is clear, students, because this is very important. Without knowing this, we cannot continue further because this is something which is repeated in every question paper. Okay, is this problem clear to everyone? Okay, so I think we can move to the next question. This is the one question which they have repeated many times. So you have to find the values of a and b, how they have defined the function. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, function is defined as f of x is equal to 5 if x is less than or equal to 2, and it is ax plus b if x lies in between 2 less than x less than 10, and it is 21 if x is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, so you have to find the value of a and b. What they have told? They have told that function is a continuous function. What do you mean by it is continuous function? It is continuous in the entire domain. So whatever value you take for x, okay, x yavade value tagondru, at that particular point, the function is continuous. So when you say about continuity, you have to verify three conditions basically. The first one is f of c exists or not. At that particular point, f of c exists or not. Second thing, left hand limit and right hand limit. That is to check whether limit exists or not at that particular point, limit of f of x as x tends to c. And the third thing was whether both are equal, that is f of c is equal to x tends to c. So these things you have to verify when you are discussing about a function is continuous at a particular point. Here they have only told that function is continuous, which means it is continuous everywhere. Yavde value x ge tagondru, it is continuous. Okay, yeah. So how to find the value of a and b? How to find the value of a and b, students? So what can be done? Can anyone give me the hint what we have to go through? Like how should we continue? ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Can anyone tell me that? Just look at the function. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಮೂರು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಅಟ್ x is equal to ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, at x is equal to what point if we use, so that I can find the value of a and b. Yeah, we have to use left hand limit and right hand limit. Good Sahana, we have to use left hand limit and right hand limit concept. Correct? Left hand limit ಮತ್ತೆ right hand limit equal ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ function continuous. But ಯಾವ point ಅಲ್ಲಿ, at which point we have to use this thing? At x is equal to 2. Good, Noor Fatima. See, you have become so pro in this. At x is equal to 2 and one more point. At x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 10. Good, Noor Fatima. Not 5. It is at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 10. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ 2 and 10, ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಸಹನ, 2 and 10 ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 10 it is one value and greater than 10 it is one value. So we know that even at 2 and 10 the function is continuous. So if we use that, since the function is continuous at x is equal to 2, its left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit, and since the function is continuous at x is equal to 10, its left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit. If we use these two things, we'll get two equations in a and b, on which if we continue on which we can get what is the value of a and b. Okay, so to begin with, I'll just erase all these things. Since f is continuous, okay, since f is continuous at x is equal to 2, okay, since f is continuous at x is equal to 2, why we are taking f is continuous at x is equal to 2? Because f is a continuous function, which means it is continuous everywhere. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, that point is at x is equal to 2. So according to our definition, the left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit. At x is equal to 2, the left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit. Okay, so what can be done? So you have to find the left hand limit. So left hand limit is limit f of x as x tends to 2 from the left. Okay, you're nearing to 2 or you're reaching to, you're approaching to an ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ approach ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, left side ಇಂದ approach ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, which means you are considering a value which is immediately to the left, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ 2 ಗಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, immediately to the left. So when x is less than 2, what is f of x? Which definition I have to use among the three? Which definition? Yes, first definition I have to use. Good Subramanya, good Sahana. So we have to use the first definition. So accordingly it is limit f of x is x less than 2 idaga 5. So it is 5 as x tends to 2 from the left. Okay. So now what is the limit of a constant? What is the limit of a constant? What is limit of a constant? What is limit of constant? Constant itself. Yes, good. So ilya constant eno 5. So my left hand limit as x tends to 2 is 5. Similarly, you find what is right hand limit. So right hand limit is limit f of x as x tends to 2 from the right. From the right hand side, you are taking a value which is greater than 2. Okay, you are taking a value which is greater than 2. When x is greater than 2, what is the definition of f of x? Which definition of f of x I have to use? The first, the second, or the third? The second one. Good Sahana, good Noor Fatima. We have to use the good Vinay. So we have to use the second definition. So second definition, you know, limit ax plus b as x tends to 2 from the right. So that is now which is approximately equal to x ida jagadalli ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? I have to put 2. So it becomes a into 2 plus b, or it is 2a plus b. x iro jagadalli 2 ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, a iro ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ in place of x you have to put 2. So right hand limit is 2a plus b. So since we know that f is continuous at x is equal to 2, as a result of this, left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit. So that means 2a plus b should be equal to 5. Okay, 2a plus b should be equal to 5. Take this as equation 1. Okay, you take it as equation 1. Okay, so now similarly you take another point, that is at x is equal to 10. I'll erase the students, take a screenshot. I'll erase this. Take a screenshot of this so that you can write it later. Can I move on? Yes, okay, fine. So which is the second point which I have to take? Since f is continuous at x is equal to 10. At x is equal to 10. Now you may have question, ಯಾಕೆ x is equal to 2 ಮತ್ತು x is equal to 10 ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇನ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Similarly, near to 2, that is to the left and right of 10, the function is changing. So that will be an advantage for me. So again, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So let me see who will give me the answer of left hand limit first. So let me see who will give me the answer of left hand limit as x tends to 10. So it is limit f of x tends to 10 from the left. Okay, x tends to 10 from the left. So from the left anta helidre value of x is less than 10. Yes, good Dikshita, good Subramanya. So value of x is less than 10. Okay, so less than 10 anta helidre function is ax plus b. So it is limit ax plus b as x tends to 10 from the left, which is approximately equal to 10a plus b. Okay, so let me see who will give me the answer for the right hand limit. Already Dikshita has given me the answer. So right hand limit is limit f of x tends to, good Vinay, 10 from the right. Right anta helidre you are taking x greater than 10. You are taking x greater than 10. Good Noor Fatima. So x greater than 10 irvaga f of x is 21. So it is limit of 21 as x tends to 10 plus. Bari 21. Okay. Yeah, Dikshita has given me the final answer. Okay. Yeah, others you can work out. So limit of a constant is constant itself. So that is 21. Since we know that left hand limit is equal to right hand limit at x is equal to 10, as function is continuous at x is equal to 10, so 10a plus b should be equal to 21. So this is my second equation. Now solve the first and second equation and get me the answer. Solve first and second equation, students, and get me the answer. The first equation was 2a plus b is equal to 5, and second equation is 10a plus b is equal to 21. So let me know what is the answer. So if you subtract, if I solve this, 10 minus 2 is 8a plus is equal to 21 minus 5 is 16. So a is equal to 16 by 8, that is 2. Good, Nitya Lakshmi. Okay, there is some power issue, students, so please don't leave the class. As soon as you can, you just be in the class. So a is equal to 2. So if a is equal to 2, then what is the value of b? B should be 21 minus 20, that is 1. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. Okay, a ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು